News 12, Long Island.
It's not fair you make me laugh before we go on TV.
It was funny. We'll share it on Facebook.
Okay.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us here at News 12 Long Island. I'm Doug Dean.
I'm Danielle Campbell. It is Friday. It's June 1st. We made it to June.
All right. It's the first weekend of June. Here's something that might get you in that summer mode.
The Brookhaven Fair back in town. Admission tonight, just $1. News 12 Long Island's Mary McKenzie's at the fairground, where it will only cost $1 to get in. So bring the whole family, right, Mary?
Absolutely right. This is incredible. What a great morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's going to continue to be that all day. No excuse not to get outside for just $1. You can come out here to the Brookhaven Fair and enjoy over 100 games and rides, amusements. You got a little bit of everything out here. Now, Michael, this is Blue in the ring here, the Arabian horse.
This is Blue, an Arabian stallion, one of our rescued animals. I just want to clarify, it's not just tonight. Folks, it's all weekend and next weekend. Come on to the fair. See, learn, and have fun. Now let's watch
Blue. He wants to be on camera. Look at him go.
Watch what he's going to do right now. Sharon's going to ask Blue to go up on his hind legs. Will he do it? Up.
Yes, he will.
Look at that horse. And you're looking at a 23-year-old stallion.
Now, what is that in human years? I can't even imagine.
Well, I don't know what in human years. To me, it's 23 years old. Here's an animal that needed some love.
You said nobody wanted him.
Nobody wanted him. He was very misunderstood. He was only used for breeding. No discipline, no training. So who wants a horse that could hurt you?
Absolutely.
Sharon
has turned him around.
Yes, she did.
That's just amazing. Now, Blue is just one of the animals involved in the show. You also have trick riders, it sounds like. So this is a whole show based on, surrounded with horses.
Look at that.
Oh.
This is a great show. This is an historical show. It is a frontier circus. It goes back to the year 1793, April 3rd, 1793, when the first circus came to America. And
quite an American story.
Yes, and we have this same kind of acts. We go to the first clown that came in 1844, Dan Rice. Here, come say hello to Blue.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, I want to tell you some info about the fair real quick. Let me make sure I get this in, Michael, to get all the info for folks. Again, you mentioned this weekend and next weekend. Friday, today, the fair opens at 5 o'clock for just $1. Tomorrow, admission is $8, although there are 2-for-1 coupons that you can get on the website.
All over, correct.
Just fantastic. So Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays this weekend and next weekend here in Brookhaven. This is really incredible.
Great rides
Thank
now,
you, Michael.
great food. Thank you for coming.
We're in Farmingville.
Come to the fair. You'll have a great time.
I'm Mary McKenzie, News 12 Long Island. Doug, Danielle.
All right, good job.
Okay.